I'm not playing with my food, I promise. Bon appetit, freaks, we are back. We are here, the sunny California. We done did it again, bon appetit. Bon appetit, freaks. I hope you are ready for this fun in the sun journey that we are about to take in California. We are here, Manchester at 101. Let's go. Do you see that? Oh my God, if you could smell it, like it's amazing. Like this is a bon appetit first, the Vietnamese food. I'm scared, I think I'm gonna fall in love with this. So you could see the jalapenos in there. I really like these onions, believe it or not. I'm so ready to eat, so excited. But do me a favor, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date to the videos that we are dropping everywhere. I'm telling you, everywhere across the nation. Leave a comment down below and make sure you share this video with everyone that you know. Drop in the comments where you think that we're gonna be at next. What city, what state, what country. You never know. We could show up anywhere. Let's go. So guys, I can literally say the food came out like so quick. Like we got the drinks, 3 minutes later we got this, another 3 minutes later we got that, and it just came out really quick. Like that's one of those things that I look for in restaurants, that service, that quickness. And then it's not really that light in here. It's a lot of people in here. This right here is the lemonade. So we're gonna see what this fresh squeezed lemonade tasting like. And then we're gonna move on to this food because I'm starving. We just got off the plane like 2-3 hours ago. It took a while to get things situated, but I was dying to come get something to eat. I seen this restaurant. I knew I never had Vietnamese before, so I said, let me go check this out. It has a Yelp rating of like 4.7, which is pretty darn good. This lemonade is pretty refreshing. Real refreshing. Especially on a hot Cali day. Like today. It is sweet, a little tangy, but my preference may not be your preference, but I like it. It's supposed to have a heat wave this weekend too in Cali, so definitely gonna need some of this. Freshly squeezed lemonade. You can kind of tell. And they gave you the spoon and they put the sugar in there so you can stir it yourself. They say you're gonna put you to work while you're here. So this is what they call rice noodle soup. If any of my Vietnamese friends out there is watching this video, go ahead, drop some comments down below. Let me know some places that you've been to that I need to check out. But this is my first time, so this is gonna be my first experience, my first reaction to Vietnamese food. I have a dream, a wish one day to visit out that way, and hopefully, I know it's gonna come true. It's on the bucket list, so stay tuned to that. So So I'm guessing I'm going to use, they got a lot of different utensils here. So this spoon, you see a picture of it, is I'm guessing what you're supposed to use. You see how I got the noodles right here? I've never seen any noodles like this. It's supposed to be rice noodles, so we're gonna mix this up. See all that steam? That's how you know it's fresh. So you see the chicken? It looks like your basic white meat, probably chicken breast. This is beef, real tender beef. Call it well cooked beef brisket. This looks like some of that steak, but on the menu they call it rare. There goes some shrimp. Look at that. Man, it smells so good. So I don't even know how to eat this. Like, any of my Vietnamese friends, people out there, let me know if I did this wrong, because like, do I use chopsticks? Do I use this? Like, do I use both? Comment down below and let me know, like, what should I be doing? So I'm gonna do the traditional route. I like to respect people's cultures and stuff like that. So, you see that, guys? I'm not playing with my food, I promise. I didn't mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. I was just living in the moment. This is gonna be my first bite of some Vietnamese food. Wish me luck. Oh my God. That chicken was so good. The chicken was like, it melted in your mouth. You know, like how you have that chicken noodle soup and they got that real good meat in there. You know, like chicken breasts usually be like real dry in the middle. That thing was so juicy and succulent. So let's try this brisket out. I wasn't ready for that. It's like melting in my mouth, yo. Like, okay, I'm sorry. I got caught up in the moment. I was really enjoying that. So I'm gonna move on to the next dish. And then the thing is, it's not too salty. Like, it's just the right amount of grit. So I'm gonna move this over here, out everyone's way. So I got two sauces. Well, actually, I don't think this is sauce. I think this is like a soup, a wonton soup type thing, onion soup. Let me know if I'm wrong. So this is a salad, rice, chicken, fried chicken. So I guess I could use a fork with this stuff because it came with a fork. So this is fried chicken. So that sauce doesn't smell spicy, so we're gonna try that. It smells like a sweet chili sauce. We might have to do like a challenge. Who got the best fried chicken? Because this is like some remarkable fried chicken. Like it's really different. And the rice, the white rice is steamed and it's not sticky. It's real loose, how white rice is supposed to be. This is really good. I should have been eating Vietnamese. I don't know. Why y'all ain't tell me something? That sausage, what's up though? It's not spicy at all. Stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, put this thing in fast forward. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Check out our other videos. We eat any and everywhere. If it's good, it's good. If it's not, you'll never see about it. I'm glad I got the medium bowl. This was a hard one, Bon Appetit, because that rice and that chicken was good. But this rice noodle soup is good too, so I'm torn. I think when you come here, you need to try both of them. This wasn't even that expensive, so I think this gonna fall up under one of those videos that is a cheap eat and really good. I had to get me another lemonade because it was really good. It was so refreshing, especially with this Cali heat right now. It's just what you need. Some good old-fashioned lemonade. But let's discuss what we ate. I'm kind of torn between both dishes. Like, I evenly am in love with them, so I suggest trying both of them when you get here, depending on what type of eater you are. You know I'm a big guy, so but yeah, you get to pick your own meat with the rice noodle soup. And I chose the rare, which is like a steak, and I chose the chicken and the shrimp and the well-cooked brisket, and it was all good. So it's like 10 different options on there. You could pick tofu. I think you could even substitute. You could do like a veggie version of it if you don't like tofu. You just want straight up veggies. So it's plenty of options. It's cool. The menu was, I want to say, kind of in Vietnamese writing and English. So yeah, this is a real good restaurant, man. And really, this get 5 thumbs up. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button too. So I suggest this when you come out to Cali. So we about to head out, do a little bit of exploring, shoot a couple videos around the city. Never know what we're gonna show up at. I want to get some street tacos. You know, Cali famous for those street tacos, those food trucks. I'm gonna pull up on one of those. We're gonna try that out. So stay tuned for the next video. Probably gonna put a link somewhere up here with the next video from Cali. So love you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Hit that notification bell so you stay up to date to the videos that we're dropping every single Wednesday, 7 p.m. And make sure you share this with a friend. Make sure you share it with a coworker. Make sure you share it with anybody that you know that will be in the Cali area, the Las Vegas area, the Atlanta area, the Florida area, everywhere we've already been to. It's so many, I can't. But you know what you should do? You should comment down below where you think that we're going to pop up next, whether it's one of the 50 states or outside the country. How about this? Whoever could guess where we're going next, I'll take them out. We'll go out to eat. Just me, you, and you two. We're going out to eat. So comment down below. Let me know where you think we're gonna pop up next, and we all gonna go out to eat. Till next time. Thank you very much. You too.